Hi guys, welcome on my channel. Today I show you how to clean the steering wheel commands from this to this. The only things you need are a pair of gloves, a toothbrush, and a degreaser and a microfiber towel. The degreaser is a Mafra HP12 multi-purpose degreaser. You can find it on Amazon or in best shop, car shop. First of all, spray the degreaser and then use the toothbrush for 3-4 times. Use the toothbrush and clean. And now again the degreaser. And here the result. So our steering wheel is deep clean and brand new. For more tricks, follow us and like the video if you like it.